Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you my secret for a turbo guard that is very cheap, allows a lot of horsepower, and is reliable. I never run air filters because there's so much restriction and they take up so much room. A lot of people that turbo just use turbo guards. So what I'm going to do today is show you a cheap way to protect your engine from collecting rocks and dirt from off the road for very cheap. This is a whisk, and I am literally going to use a whisk from a dollar store to put this on. You can buy them anywhere, you can buy them online. I've used Dollarama whisks multiple times and they actually don't fall apart if you clamp them down correctly. So here is my eBay Turbo, and I'm going to budget wrap it with a whisk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on top here and mark around about 1.5 inches, and then I'm going to cut that out and then just clamp it on top of the actual compressor housing. And then I will be good to go. You can see I've got a black mark around it, 1.5 inches beyond the actual lip of the inlet. So I'm gonna cut that out and basically just get it on there. So here's my cutout right here, and all I'm gonna do is just push on the actual lip of the turbo and then fold it around. Just like so, and then I'm gonna find something to clamp it. You can use a hose clamp, you can use a cold pipe clamp, you can use really whatever you've got, as long as it clamps tightly. If it clamps tightly, that thing is never coming off. This is the finished product. It actually looks legit. So I wouldn't use this for more than 300 wheel horsepower because honestly, a lot of air gets going through these inlets with higher horsepower and it could potentially suck it in. I've had this on this same setup on a 408 wheel horsepower setup and I have not had any problems whatsoever. So honestly, like 300 horsepower and hose clamp it on and you will be fine. I can almost guarantee you that, but I'm not going to say that I'll pay for your damages if you don't do it, or if you do this and you don't do it correctly. So this is correctly the incorrect way, if you know what I'm saying. So this will get you down the track cheap. This will get you down the street cheap. And honestly, this costed me $4. So I'm really pumped about this, and I'm just going to throw this on and go have some fun in my car. I don't have to wait in the mail for a turbo guard. I don't have to do a lot of things. This is I've got enough for dinner tonight, let's just say that. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.